Guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in school, back to school again. Hello. It's back to school. A little hot today. The sun is hot. There is no wind. Back to school. If you like my video, guys, don't forget to click like, heart, leave comment, and subscribe and share my video. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy Monday.